Hi, my name is Chris, and in this video I will provide a short introduction to what TenantCloud is and show you why managing your rentals has never been easier. TenantCloud is a true ecosystem where tenants, landlords, property managers, owners, and service professionals can collect rent online, keep track of receipts, leases, and maintenance requests. Within TenantCloud, landlords and property managers can list their vacancies, accept online rental applications, screen potential applicants, and even get their leases signed electronically. If you're not near a computer, don't worry. Download the TenantCloud app and you will be able to do all of the same functions with a very similar look and feel. While using the software, you will save time and money while managing your rentals on the go. You can also manage and create work orders as well as communicate with your service professional to ensure the project is completed and that the tenant is satisfied. You can track your receipts and invoices in the accounting section of your account and visit the reports section to view the numerous reports and get a snapshot of the finances of your properties. To start managing your rental properties for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.